Today we're diving into the IMAYCC Car Jack Kit, specifically designed for Tesla vehicles like the Model Y, 3, S, and X, though it's important to note it's not compatible with the 2023 Model Y AWD 279 miles from Austin. This robust scissor jack boasts a lifting height range from 4.3 to 15.3 inches and can handle a maximum load of 2.5 tons, or 5,512 pounds, making it a reliable companion for your Tesla. Equipped with two compatible rubber pads, it ensures a perfect fit with Tesla's 25mm lift holes, protecting your car's chassis without requiring any modifications. The kit also includes an extended ratchet wrench, allowing for smooth, single-handed operation, making tire changes effortless and efficient. Alongside the scissor jack, you'll find two jack pads, a ratchet wrench, a lug wrench, and a 21mm drive head, providing everything you need for a quick tire change in any emergency. So, whether you're on the road or in your garage, the IMAYCC Car Jack Kit is your go-to solution for hassle-free tire changes on your Tesla. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.